Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get this rainbows color for your cake. So you can use butter icing, you can use whipped cream, whatever you have at home. So as you can see in this video, I'm using butter icing because I've used those butter icing to cover some cake. So the remaining one, so I said let me use it to make videos. So this is the process. So you get a pair of scissors, you get a pair of white nylon or black nylon, any nylon you have at home or either those transparent white nylon, you can also use them. So far is the nylon, no problem, it goes. So you cut them this way, make sure it's wide like this, you give them a cut this way. So you cut it this way and make sure that your butter icing are ready. The ones I'm using, I've used them for the past a month now. So the remaining one, I want to use it to teach you guys how to get. Some people always said it's very difficult for them to get a rainbow color, so it's very easy. So you have your nozzle. I have my own 1 nozzle mouth and my nylon ready and my piping bag. You know how to put your nose in your piping bag, right? So this is the way you are going to arrange your color, as you can see in the video below. So when you done arranging your colors, whatever colors you want, then you wrap them together. Make sure your nylon is transparent so you can see your color the way you are writing it, because if you use black nylon you can't see them this way. So you cut off the mouth and you place it inside your piping bag and start piping. It will give you what you want. As you can see on that board, I've been using it for a normal video showing some people. So I said, let me do a YouTube long video so you guys can see as well. So you can just use it to make something like this. If it's different rainbow color you want, make sure that that nylon is wider more than this way so it can give you different colors like up to 7, 8 or 9 color you want to join together to make your rainbow color. But this one I'm just showing you guys tip of the ice block. So as you can see the way it's coming out, so gorgeous and beautiful. When you pipe this on your cake, voila, it will be very beautiful. Your client is going to love it. So it can also go on your whipped cream or whatever whipping you have at home. Just make sure that you get the technique and you are good to go. Thank you for watching. See you guys on my next video and please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget. Bye. Thank you.